शहनाइयों से गूंजी है आज की ये रात। रिश्ते में बंधने जा रहे हैं दो परिवार। सजा है दुल्हा, सजी है दुल्हन, सजे हैं सारे रिश्तेदार। शादी मुबारक हो आप सबको, सब परिवार। Weddings are one of the most emotional events because it is not just a day where two people who are in love get to tie the knot. It is also a day when a rite of passage is passed, when a young man becomes a family man and a young woman becomes a wife. Varun and Ritika, today is your big day, and I want to wish both of you a very happy and prosperous married life, and also wish to give you some advice in my own way. So here are few lines for both of you. Today will be perfect in every single way. A beautiful fairy tale for your wedding day. The theme of your day is love and laughter, and to live your days happily ever after. Living happily is what we need to survive. So, how does one keep the magic alive? How do you light a spark that never goes out? And how does one live a life without fear or doubt? How do some people manage to keep their love strong? And how do some couples always feel like they belong? What do you need to do to stay in love forever and make each day special and grow fonder together? Well, these very questions you must address every day. You must take the time to go out of your way, to always share love and always share laughter, to do whatever it takes to live happily ever after. So, here is a recipe I think is a must. So, let's begin with always having trust. Don't forget, it's important to have total respect and to always stay loyal to keep your love perfect. You must communicate each and every day. 3 special little words you must never forget to say. I love you. It's amazing how these words make you feel happy, safe, and valued, and they will keep your love real. A simple act of kindness goes a long, long way. Blend it with understanding, and you can't go astray. Don't forget friendship. It will help you to cope. Add a sprinkle of faith and an abundance of hope. Remember your smile. It's beautiful to see. It can brighten one's day. It can make you feel free. So, my wish for you both is you always have love and laughter, and I pray that you will enjoy your happily ever after. Varun, I am sure your dad, my younger brother Kishore, is showering blessings on both of you from heaven. He is not here with us, but I am certain that he is also feeling happy to see his little Varun entering into a new phase of his life. And Kishore, for you I just want to say that you are still here in my heart and mind, still making me laugh because your stories will live on always. I hold you in a thought and I can feel you. I feel you, and this gives me strength and courage. As they say, stars may fade, but the light lives on somewhere. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it is not there. Kishore, we can no longer see you, but we can feel you near. You are hidden in our hearts, and we will always, always hold you dear. So today is a happy day, and we should be happy because I am sure Kishore also wants us to be happy. Varun and Ritika, may the joy that today brings not only last with today, may it last for all the days you two will spend in your lifetime together. Happy married life, Varun and Ritika. Warm wishes from Madhubua, Chitwan, Pooja, Kashyap, and our little Ansh. So, आखिर में मैं कुछ लाइनें बोलना चाहती हूँ जो मैं सबके लिए बोलती हूँ. तो खुदा से क्या मांगूं तुम्हारे वास्ते, सदा खुशियों से भरे हों तुम्हारे रास्ते। खुश रहो सदा, रब की मेहर कभी न छूटे, रब करे दोनों एक दूजे से कभी न रूठे। गर रूठे वरुण रितिका तुम मना लेना, नाराज हो रितिका वरुण तुम गले लगा लेना। साथ देना सदा रखना एक दूजे का ख्याल, अपने बड़ों की इज्जत को रखना सदा संभाल। आप दोनों के जीवन में खुशियों की भरमार रहे, और ज़्यादा क्या कहूँ, बस खुशियों का संसार रहे। आज इस शुभ घड़ी में एक मीठे रिश्ते की है शुरुआत। तुम दोनों रहो हमेशा एक साथ, भगवान से बस यही है फरियाद। लव यू वरुण एंड रितिका. Stay happy and blessed always. Once again, happy wedding day.